was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Guys, today I'm teaching you guys the healing and spiritual powers of charcoal. Yes, charcoal has healing power and it also have spiritual power. So I dedicate this video to my late dad because he taught me most of those things I knew, especially this charcoal stuff. My dad was one of the first thing he taught me. Okay, yeah, this charcoal, the spiritual powers of charcoal. I'm going to teach you today healing power of charcoal and spiritual powers of charcoal. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly like, share, and then subscribe so that you will not miss more videos from me. So one of the list I'm going to teach you guys, you can use charcoal to boost sales, you can use charcoal to heal some sickness, you can use charcoal to weaving things, a lot of things you can do with charcoal. So I will start from the one you can use charcoal to cure sore throat. Apart from the spiritual power, I'll teach you guys how you can use charcoal to boost sale. Okay, so if you like this video, like. Okay, now one thing is that there was a day I had sore throat and my dad told me I should get charcoal and lick it. Okay, so I got that charcoal, I just lick it once. Guess what? The next day that thing, the sore throat was vanished. So don't need to waste your money for sore throat. Get charcoal, it cures sore throat a lot. So all you have to do is to just lick it, especially at night or in the morning when you have not eaten. Now we also use charcoal to hide things in the spiritual realm. Maybe something is happening, I want to hide that thing. Just get that charcoal with you, it will not be seen. Spiritual eye will not see it. Or maybe you want to weigh beauty. Sometimes now I prepare some medicine and germs I want to say to people. All I do is to just, after preparing the solution, I will just, inside the bag I'm going to keep the thing, I will just put charcoal, just a seed of charcoal is okay. I will just put it there so that nobody, anybody that touch it with evil eyes or evil witches will not be able to see it. That's what thing about charcoal. It hides it from bad things. He hides it from bad things. So anytime you are waving food, maybe if it is food stuff you are waving to somebody, a devil to, it must not be beside the food. Okay, you can just put it by the side or the bag you are putting the food stuff. So make sure there's charcoal inside that. So we use charcoal to wave things, so that no evil hands, any hands that will touch it, it will not spoil the solution. And any hand that will touch it, they will not be, it reflects even negative energy away. That's one thing about charcoal. This you notice that maybe you are making sales before and you now notice that you are no longer making sales as usual, or it's only your neighboring shops that are making sale. All you have to do is to get charcoal. Just get 3 seeds of charcoal or 5 seed preferably, because number 5 represents grace. Okay, get 5 pieces of charcoal, then look for a corner in your shop. Just keep that there. No evil energy or evil eyes will be able to see your shop again. It reflects anything evil again. Once a witch come there, that place will be dark. He will not be able to see anything. Or once an evil charm that is drawing people from your shop comes, he will not be able to see anything in your shop. The shop will not be visible to him. That's one thing about charcoal. It hides things from the spiritual eyes, especially from evil people. Okay, once you keep that charcoal there, so no witchy or any evil that will be able to affect your shop again. At a devil to change that charcoal, every 2 weeks. Another thing you can do with charcoal is that if you are the type that normally see evil things in your dream, maybe you normally go to the river in your dream, or you have a witch and you normally go to the cove, you normally see evil things in your dream and you don't want to see them again. So anytime you want to sleep, get charcoal and put it under your pillow. By the time you put that charcoal under your pillow, you will not be able to see those things you are seeing again. Everywhere will be dark. You will not be able to see all those things you are seeing again. So those are the spiritual powers of charcoal. And anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I will explain to you better. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, anything you want to learn, ask me in the comment section, then I will make a video specially for you. So comment that this must work for me. There's power in affirmation. Okay, I want you to comment that this must work for you. See you guys in the next video.